Welcome to a captivating journey into the realm of cybersecurity. Today, we delve into the intricate world of hacking attacks, uncovering their clandestine techniques and exploring effective strategies to safeguard your digital fortress. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of the top 5 most prevalent and perilous cyber assaults that threaten our interconnected world. Malware attacks, the silent assassins. Our first encounter takes us into the treacherous realm of malware attacks, where stealthy intruders lurk waiting to compromise your systems. From insidious viruses to cunning worms, malicious trojans to the infamous ransomware, these digital menaces wreak havoc, leading to data breaches, system corruption, and financial losses. Discover the modus operandi of these digital malefactors and learn to fortify your defenses against their malicious intent. Phishing attacks, deception in the shadows. Next, we navigate the murky waters of phishing attacks, where cybercriminals exploit human vulnerability to gain unauthorized access. Unravel the art of social engineering as we expose the deceptive emails and text messages that lure unsuspecting victims into divulging their personal information on fake websites. Arm yourself with knowledge and techniques to identify and thwart these manipulative tactics, ensuring your confidential data remains secure. Denial of service attacks, unleashing the digital tsunami. Prepare to brace yourselves as we confront the relentless storm of denial of service attacks, capable of rendering even the mightiest websites and servers powerless. Witness the overwhelming flood of traffic as attackers employ various methods to overwhelm their targets, resulting in service disruptions and financial repercussions. Discover cutting-edge strategies employed by cybersecurity professionals to mitigate these onslaughts and safeguard the availability of critical systems. SQL injection attacks, breaching the impenetrable fortresses. Venturing into the intricate realm of databases, we uncover the cunning techniques of SQL injection attacks. Witness how cybercriminals exploit vulnerabilities in web applications to inject malicious code, granting them unauthorized access to sensitive information or even full control of targeted servers. Learn about secure coding practices and defensive measures that fortify your digital infrastructure against these nefarious infiltrations. Insider threats, shadows within the citadel. Our final encounter takes us deep into the heart of organizational security, where we face the insidious threat posed by trusted insiders. Whether through malicious intent or unwitting actions, employees and contractors with authorized access can become unwitting accomplices to cybercrime. Unearth the motivations behind these insider threats and explore robust security protocols, employee awareness programs, and strict access controls to minimize this treacherous vulnerability. Protective measures, shields against the storm. Armed with knowledge of these 5 malevolent hacking attacks, it's time to don your digital armor and protect your valuable assets. Discover the vital steps you can take to fortify your defenses and mitigate risks. Forge unbreakable defenses. Embrace the power of strong and unique passwords, regularly changing them to deter unauthorized access. Update for invincibility. Keep your software and systems up to date, closing security loopholes that hackers exploit. Vigilance against the shadows. Exercise caution when interacting with emails and text messages, scrutinizing links before clicking and verifying the authenticity of senders. Digital Fortress. Fortify your defenses with firewalls and robust antivirus software, creating barriers against cyber threats. Knowledge is power. Stay informed about emerging hacking techniques and the latest cybersecurity best practices, empowering yourself against the evolving landscape of cyber threats. Conclusion. As we conclude this captivating journey through the realms of hacking attacks, remember that cybersecurity is a constant battle. By adopting a proactive stance, implementing robust security measures, and staying informed, you can shield yourself and your digital assets from the ever-present dangers of the cyber world. Remember, knowledge is your greatest weapon. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and together we can fortify our digital landscapes against the forces of darkness. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening exploration. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest security tips and insights. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll be glad to engage in a discussion. Until next time, stay safe and secure in the digital realm.